Are you looking for new ways to engage with families in your school or community? Well, Common Sense has just what you need. Our Young Kids and Screens workshops for parents and caregivers are great tools for attracting pre-K to second grade families with topics they care about. The resources are absolutely free and available in both English and Spanish. They include everything you need to facilitate engaging, research-based workshops on the following subjects: raising healthy kids in a digital world, finding balance with media and tech use at home, choosing high-quality media for your kids, how to make meaningful family connections using media and tech, introducing online safety to young kids, and how to use media and tech to build life skills in young kids. The workshop activities are interactive, and the materials can be adapted for online or in-person events, different group sizes, and the time you have available. No matter what your event looks like, you'll get all the materials you need for a successful activity, including colorful and engaging slide presentations, scripts you can modify to match your presentation style, short videos to support the key takeaways of each workshop, handouts for the interactive activities, take-home resources to reinforce the learning, and extra materials to keep the conversation going with parents and caregivers. Find everything you need to organize your workshop at commonsense.org/earlychildhood toolkit.